Sound Partners 1, Lesson 36. Today we will practice again with the sound sh, sheep, made by the letters S-H. Sh, sheep. Ready? Sh, sheep. Sh, sheep. Yellow. Lion. Zipper. Sheep. Cat. Table. Sun. Vet. Hat. Ed. Apple. Zipper. Octopus. Window. Up. Now let's read those sounds again. Ready? Sh, z, sh, t, s, v, z, w, Now I will point to a letter and you say the sound that it represents. Ready? K, like cat. Sh, like sheep. Like lion. Like hat. Like window. Like vet. Like zipper. Like up. Now you will hear 8 sounds. Write the letters that represent the sounds that you hear. Here's the first sound.
Y.
Number 2. Number 3.
Z.
Number 4.
Sh.
Number 5. Number 6.
V.
Number 7.
E.
And the last one, number 8.
A.
Ready? Let's check your answers. The first sound y was the letter Y. The next sound you heard was by the letter U. Number 3, Z by the letter Z. Number 4, sh by the letters SH. Number 5, the letter H. Number 6, V. Number 7, the letter E. And the last sound, number 8, the letter O. Now let's practice breaking apart words into their individual sounds using the sound boxes. The first word that we will break apart into sounds is the word most. Ready? M-O-st. Most. The next word, cups. K-u-p-s. Cups. Spill. S-p-i-l. Spill. Slope. S-l-o-p. Slope. Fist. 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 Now let's practice sounding these words out and then saying them fast. Let's practice with the word in the box. Ready? B-ash. Bash. B-ash. Bash. Sh-ot. Shot. S-and. Sand. Z-ap. Zap. Axe. Fax. D-ish. Dish. Sh-in. Shin. B-and. Band. H-and. Hand. F-ox. Fox. V-at. Vat. Ash. Lash. Th-in. Thin. And. Land. Fuzz. Fuzz. Sip. Sip. Math. Math. At. Mat. Now let's reread each word. Ready? Bash. Shot. Sand. Zap. Fax. Dish. Shin. Band. Hand. Fox. Vat. Lash. Thin. Land. Fuzz. Sip. Math. Mat. What sound does fax start with? What sound does fax end with? X. What sound is in the middle or the vowel sound in fax? Ah. What sound does dish start with? D. What sound does dish end with? Sh. What is the middle sound or the vowel sound in dish? I. What sound does thin start with? Th. What sound does thin end with? N. What is the middle sound or the vowel sound in thin? I. What sound does shot start with? Sh. What sound does shot end with? T. What is the middle sound or the vowel sound in the word shot? Ah. Now let's practice spelling some of these words. Ready? The first word that we're going to spell is the word shin. Stretch out the word so that you can hear the sounds in the word. Sh-in. shin. Now write the letters that represent those sounds. The next word, bash. Ash. Bash. Stretch the word out, listen for the sounds, and then write the letters that make those sounds. And the last word, math. Let's stretch it apart. Math. Math. And now write the letters that make those sounds. All right, let's check your work. Ready? The first word was shin. 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 S-H-I-N. Shin. Remember the sound of sh is one sound made by two letters. The next word was bash. B-A-sh. B-A-S-H. Bash. This time the sh sound was at the end of the word. Also double check to make sure when you wrote the letter B that the straight line is on the left side of the letter. And the last word we spelled was the word math. M-A-Th. M-A-T-H. This time the sound th was made by the letters T-H, one sound, two letters. Math. Now let's practice reading some of our sight words. Today we'll learn a new word, there. I will go there after school. It's referring to a place. Let's say it, spell it, and then say it again. Ready? There. T-H-E-R-E. There. Were. W-E-R-E. Were. Into. I-N-T-O. Into. They. T-H-E-Y. They. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. All. A-L-L. All. For. F-O-R. For. Said. S-A-I-D. Said. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. I. Come. C-O-M-E. Come. Were. W-E-R-E. Were. Was. W-A-S. Was. Its. I-T apostrophe S. Its. They. T-H-E-Y. They. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. Now let's read each word. Ready? There. Were. Into. They. There. All. For. said, there, I, come, were, was, it's, they, there. Now I will point to a word and you read the word. Ready? There, for, into, said, were, it's, was, they, all. Now let's spell three of those words. The first word that we're going to write today is our new word, there. I will go there after school. Write the letters that make up the word there. The next word, said. He said he was going as well. Said. And the last word, it's. It's is a contraction for it is. It's my birthday. All right, let's check to see how you did. The first word was there, THERE, there. The next word, said, SAID, said. And the last word, it's, IT''S, it's. Remember, it is a short way to say it is. Now let's practice reading these sentences. I'll give you just a couple of minutes to practice by yourself. All right, ready? There were beds. There were beds for all the cats. There were beds for all the cats. Fuzz, nail, and miss. There were beds for all the cats. Fuzz, nail, and miss. They said, this is the best. This is the best. This line is called a dash. It means that what follows that dash is going to give us more information about that sentence. In this case, we see that the words fuzz, nail, miss all begin with capital letters. That tells us those are the names of those cats. So let's reread that sentence now. There were beds for all the cats. Fuzz, nail, and miss. So there must have been 3 beds since there are 3 cats. They said, this is the best. Remember, these little marks in the air mean quotation marks. That means someone is saying those words. So if we have a character in our story, this is what the character is saying. This is the best. So let's read both sentences again. Ready? There were beds for all the cats. Fuzz, nail, and miss. They said, this is the best. Today, our story is going to be called Bow Wow. Bow Wow. Tip was Tim's dog. Tip was Tim's dog. Yip, yap, yap. Yip, yap. And if you look up here, this little, we call this a speech bubble. That means that's what this dog is saying. Yip, yap. Shh. Sit. Tip. Shh. Sit, Tip. Tip, sat. Tip, sat. Bow wow. Bow wow. It was Jip. It was Jip. And if you look, Jip is saying bow wow. Jip was Jan's pup. Jip was Jan's pup. Shh. Sit. Jip. Shh. Sit, Jip. Jip sat. Jip sat. Tip and Jip sat. Tip and Jip sat. Tim and Jan sat. Tim and Jan sat. Jip got a hug. Jip got a hug. Tip got a pat. Tip got a pat. Bow wow. Bow wow. Yip yap. Yip yap. The end. Now that we've decoded the words, let's go back and reread the story. Bow wow. Bow wow. Tip was Tim's dog. Yip yap. Yip yap. Yip yap. Shh. Sit, Tip. Tip sat. Bow wow, bow wow. It was Jip. Bow wow. Jip was Jan's pup. Shh. Sit, Jip. Jip sat. Tip and Jip sat. Tim and Jan sat. Jip got a hug. Tip got a pat. Bow wow, bow wow. Yip yap, yip yap. The end. And that's the end of our lesson today.